A day after Union Minister Nitin Gadkari suggested ramping up COVID-19 vaccine production in the country, the Union Minister claimed that the central government has already taken necessary steps in this direction. Clarifying his remark, Union Road Transport Minister posted a series of tweets and said that he was unaware of the efforts made by the central government.
Yesterday, while participating in the conference organized by Swadeshi Jagran Manch, I had suggested ramping up vaccine production. I was unaware that before my speech, Minister for Chemical and Fertilizers, Shri Mansukh Mandavia, had explained the government's efforts to ramp up.
Nitin Gadkari revealed that the central government has already increased production to meet the rising demand for inoculation drive.
After the conference, he also informed me that Government of India is already facilitating vaccine manufacturing by 12 different plants or companies, and a rapid ramp-up of production is expected in near future as a result of these efforts.
The Union Minister thanked Mansukh Mandavia profusely for his timely intervention.
I was unaware that his ministry has started these efforts before I had given suggestion yesterday. I am glad and congratulate him and his team for this timely intervention in the right direction. I feel important to put this on record.
This development comes after Union Minister Nitin Gadkari admitted that there is a shortage of COVID-19 vaccine doses in the country. Addressing the Vice Chancellors of universities, Gadkari had said that domestic companies should be allotted license to manufacture the anti-COVID doses amid the raging pandemic. The Union Transport Minister had also highlighted the acute shortage of oxygen in the COVID care hospitals.
डिमांड ज्यादा होती है और सप्लाई कम होता है तो प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होता है। तो ये वैक्सीन वाली कंपनी एक के बजाय 10 लोगों को लाइसेंस दे और रॉयल्टी भी ले, कोई सेवाभावी करके ना करे। और जैसे मैंने ये दवाइयां न होने वाली तैयार कर ली, तो वैक्सीन का प्रोडक्शन अगर 10 जगह खुल जाएगा, जैसे हापकिन को इंपॉर्टेंस मिला है, तो मनसुख भाई मेरा अनुरोध है कि आप हर राज्य में 2-2, 3-3 लेबोरेटरी ऑलरेडी है। मेरी जानकारी है कि उनकी क्षमता भी है और उनके पास इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी है।
Meanwhile, Nitin Gadkari's remarks drew sharp criticism from Congress leader and former Union Minister Jairam Ramesh.
But is his boss listening? This is what Dr. Manmohan Singh had suggested on April 18th.
The third phase of the vaccination drive for those aged above 18 years began on May 1st. However, several states like Maharashtra, Delhi and Karnataka suspended the inoculation drive due to a shortage of vaccines. The country has administered 18.58 crore COVID-19 vaccine doses so far. According to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, around 5.14 lakh beneficiaries of the age group of 18 to 44 years received their first dose of COVID vaccines today. The total number of people administered during the Phase 3 vaccination drive stands at 64.6 lakh.